Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm bringing you a tool haul. I went to Harbor Freight and I took advantage of that 30% off coupon and picked up a few other things, used other coupons. I wanted to mention that I know it limited 5 on the coupon, but in the store it took off 30% off. There's 7 items, so I don't know if that was a store error or what, but it worked out for me. So let's get into this. Alright, so first up, I picked up a multi-square. It'd be nice to find some certain angles when I'm doing like woodworking projects and all that. So this was normally $5.99, got it for $4.20. So I don't have one of those. Next up, got a tubing bender. This goes from 1/8 to 1/4. This was originally $9.99. Got it for $7. There's another version of this that's a little larger that I wanted. It was actually cheaper. It was like $7.50. But yeah, I can use these on fuel lines and whatnot. So that's nice to have. I picked up some more funnels. Never have too many funnels. I had a coupon for 86 cents, but the 30% off was taken off of this, so that was like the same price. And I got a flexible spout can. I don't have anything like this, so just figured it'd be good for lubing parts up and whatnot. You know, some assembly lube or whatever oils. They have a smaller version of this, which is cheaper, but I just went with that one. It's a 4-ounce can? No, it's a 20-ounce. My fault. But yeah, I got that for $4.20. Normally $5.99. I picked up a soft face mallet. It's got interchangeable heads on them and all that. This is a plastic one. It'd be kind of delicate if you're installing parts or whatnot. So this was $5.99. Got it for $4.19. Got the steel shaft and all that, so definitely nice. They have a different version of it, which is like a 4-in-1, but this one's good enough. And 3-inch paintbrush. I like to keep stock on them. I had a different coupon for it, but the 30% off went with this, so yeah, it was like 86 cents. And got a stamping set. This is the 36 piece 1/8 inch. This thing will focus. Yeah, they have 2 other sets, which are 36 pieces as well, but it's like a 3/8 inch. Those were over $10. This was $9.99, so I got it for $7. Personalize some things or whatever you need, and their lifetime warranty, so that's cool. Yeah, so yeah, this multi-square's lifetime warranty, the tubing bender's lifetime warranty, and so is the hammer. That's one great thing about shopping at Harbor Freight. Yep. So next up, my free item, of course. Got a couple of those. Put them in the tool bag. That's going in the junk drawer of the house. Alright, so next, I picked up the micro torch. My other one shit the bed, doesn't really work anymore. Try to adjust it, doesn't really. It's kind of garbage. So, see, now it won't even hardly light. I figured I'd try this one out, see how it does. This was $14.99. Got it for $11.99 with the 20% off coupon. Lastly, I got the non-marring scraper set, the 4-piece. It's got some nice handles on it. Get in there if you need to reach. This was $12.99, and if you use that 10% off coupon for anything, got it for $11.70. Can't beat that. Pretty soon, hopefully before the winter, if they're ready, I'm going to do a head gasket job on a family member's car. So use this on the head and the valve cover, all that. So that's the only why I purchased the plastic razors, which are nice, but you know, with these having the handles, definitely a lot better. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this pickup. Hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, later.